Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best water table is probably one of the most engaging and educational toys you can get for your little ones aged 5 to 7, offering a fantastic way to combine outdoor fun with sensory exploration and imaginative play, making it an ideal addition to any backyard or play area for hours of splashing entertainment and learning. Number 5. Step 2 Rain Showers Splash Pond Water Table. Transform your backyard into a mini water park with this fun water table. It's perfect for endless summer outdoor play. Use the large bucket to scoop water and pour it into the top tray. Watch as the rainfall effect activates and splashes into the pond below. As the water drains, it activates spinners, ramps, and buckets. This creates exciting cause and effect play for curious minds. Rearrange the maze pieces to design new waterfalls. It's a great way to encourage creative and STEM-focused exploration. Kids can create a spinning splash with the included wheel. They can also use the side flipper to send figures back into the pond for more excitement. Keeping it clean is a breeze. Simply use disinfectant wipes or household cleaners whenever needed, so playtime is always ready. What we like? This water table creates a mini water park with a rainfall effect. It encourages STEM learning through cause and effect play. If you are looking for a water table that offers interactive fun and educational elements, this is a great choice. What people say. The water table is very sturdy and well made, with plenty of space for multiple children to play at once. My kids love the variety of activities available on the water table, including the spinning water wheel and the pouring spout. The assembly was straightforward and took less than 15 minutes. Number 4. Step 2 Rain Showers and Unicorns Water Table. Dive into a world of wonder with this exciting water and sand table. It's designed to spark your child's imagination through thrilling rain showers and endless playful possibilities. Watch as water pours down from the top, creating a mesmerizing rainfall effect. This feature not only delights but also introduces basic STEM principles through interactive play. Its generous size allows multiple children to play together, fostering social interaction and sharing. The large basin can hold up to 5 gallons of water for extended enjoyment. Cleaning up is a breeze thanks to the convenient plug for easy drainage. You can also use household cleaners to maintain a hygienic play space for your little ones. Crafted with durable, double-walled plastic construction, this toy is built to withstand years of active play. Its vibrant colors are designed to resist chipping, fading, cracking, or peeling. This playset comes complete with 13 accessories to enhance the water and sand play experience. Get ready for hours of creative fun. What we like? This water table features a fun unicorn theme and a large surface for multiple children to play together. Its durable, double-walled plastic construction ensures years of use. If you have multiple children who enjoy imaginative play and you want a long-lasting toy, this is the one to consider. What people say. The water table has multiple levels and activities, keeping multiple children entertained at once. It's sturdy and well made, with durable plastic that has held up to outdoor use. The assembly was straightforward and didn't require any special tools. Number 3. Step 2 Tropical Rainforest Kids Water Table. Get ready for exciting outdoor adventures. This water table is perfect for little ones to splash, pour, and discover. It's designed with fun rainforest details to ignite their imagination. This set comes with 13 fun accessories, including cute squishy toys. Watch the water flow and activate different features, teaching them about cause and effect in a playful way. Its generous size allows multiple children to play at once, promoting social skills and sharing. It can hold a good amount of water for extended fun. When playtime is done, a convenient plug makes draining simple. Keeping it clean and sanitary is a breeze, so it's always ready for the next adventure. Crafted with durable, double-walled plastic, this toy is built to withstand years of play. The vibrant colors are designed to stay bright and won't fade or chip. What we like? This water table is designed with molded-in rainforest details and interactive accessories like squishy tropical creatures. It sparks imaginative play and teaches cause and effect. If your child loves animals and enjoys creating their own adventures, this table will be a hit. What people say. The water table has a good height for toddlers, making it comfortable for them to play without bending too much. It includes various accessories like buckets, shovels, and funnels, which enhance the playtime experience and encourage imaginative play. The design is sturdy and well-made, ensuring it can withstand active play from young children. Number 2. Best Choice Products 3-in-1 Kids Picnic Table with Umbrella. Discover the versatility of this fantastic kids' picnic table. It easily transforms into a sand or water table, offering endless entertainment possibilities. Make sunny days even more enjoyable with this outdoor table. It's ideal for meals, playtime, and learning adventures in the fresh air. Keep your child comfortable with the adjustable umbrella. It provides perfect shade, easily moving up or down as needed. Crafted from high-quality, natural hemlock wood, this table is built for years of fun. It's designed with safety in mind, ensuring a secure play environment. This sturdy table comfortably seats up to 4 children. It's the perfect spot for them to gather, play, and enjoy their outdoor meals. Rest assured, this table is made with treated, BPA-free wood, meeting federal safety standards. It's designed for safe and long-lasting enjoyment. What we like. This versatile product functions as a picnic table, sand table, or water table, complete with an umbrella for shade. It's made of durable hemlock wood and can comfortably seat 4 children. If you're looking for a multifunctional outdoor furniture piece that can be used for meals and play, this is an excellent option. What people say. The water table has a lot of fun activities for the kids to do. It is very sturdy and well-made, perfect for outdoor play. The size is great for multiple children to play at once without getting in each other's way. Number 1. 19-piece Kids Sand Toys Set. Ignite your child's imagination with this versatile 19-piece sand and snow toy collection. It includes everything for creative play, like a water wheel, bucket, and molds, perfect for beach adventures. These toys are made from thick, reliable, and non-toxic plastic, ensuring they are safe for children of all ages and built to last through countless play sessions. The set features a rainbow of vibrant colors that will capture your child's attention and enhance their sensory experience during playtime. A strong mesh bag is included for easy storage and transport, keeping all the toys tidy and accessible for fun anytime, anywhere. Make this summer unforgettable with this beach toy set. It's ideal for beach parties and backyard fun, promising hours of laughter and imaginative play. Cleaning up is a breeze with this set. The included mesh bag makes storing and carrying the toys simple, allowing for effortless outdoor play. What we like. This is a comprehensive 19-piece sand and water toy set that includes a water wheel, bucket, and molds. It's made from durable, non-toxic plastic and comes with a mesh bag for easy storage and transport. If you're looking for a portable and engaging set of beach toys for creative play at the beach or in the sandbox, this set offers great value. What people say. The water table has a lot of fun activities for the kids, like the spinning water wheel and the pouring pitcher. It's a good size for multiple children to play at once without getting in each other's way. The assembly was surprisingly easy, and it feels sturdy enough to withstand outdoor play. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.